Hello guys, in this video we are gonna improve the code a little bit, more specifically code about splash screen. So we will introduce view model and view model will be responsible to change this value to false. So the reason is because ViewModel should be responsible to switch uh, something like this to false. So let's do it. We're gonna create new package, presenter, and create ViewModel class. Main activity ViewModel, for example. Okay, now let's extend ViewModel. Is splash screen mutable state flow not false, true, and well is splash screen. Okay, let's create init block and view model scope launch, delay 2 seconds, and value is equal to false. Now let's instantiate view model. Oops, I have a little error. Okay, now let's instantiate view model. View model main activity view model by okay, and let's use it here. View model dot value. Now we are ready to test it. And it's working. Okay, I can create box here, modify fill max size and content alignment. Okay, center and text, home screen, or height and font size 24 sp. I'm just doing this because of clarity, to be more clear what's going on. Yeah, now we can comment this part and of course this part of code, so it should still work. Yeah, it's working. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and if I know the answer, I tell you. Also, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos like this. Bye bye.